Today we're going to be looking at the Nomatic McKinnon Sling. It's been out for a little bit and I've been really excited to check it out. I have a few different slings that I use day to day depending on what I'm carrying. Sometimes I'm not carrying my camera gear, other times I am, and I've been looking for a way to improve some of that camera gear carrying, so I'm really excited to see some of these features. The bag is 8 liters, it is water resistant, and it just feels like quality. The strap is very easy to adjust, and it looks like you can use it on your suitcase and just pass through the handlebars so that it sits right on top of the suitcase. The zippers are made of this nice material. There's kind of like an aluminum tube casing around it that makes it easy to grab. And on the bottom there are a few loops. I've seen people attach their tripods to the bottom. Check out the inside. Ooh. Okay, first of all, look at that. Look how big it opens. On that front section, there's a lot of organization in here. Got a couple memory card pockets. You have a couple pockets for batteries, a little zippered mesh pocket here to keep any other loose items. And on this side, you have a couple elastic organizers as well. They give so much space for all your accessories here and a nice big divider to keep it separate. In the main section, there are a couple dividers that you can move around as needed, but otherwise you can configure it however you want to carry whatever gear you're carrying, whether it's a drone or camera gear and lenses. One of my favorite features of this bag is sometimes when you're shooting, you just don't have time to zip and unzip your bag constantly, especially if you're changing lenses a lot or you want to put your camera down but still be able to get to it very quickly. Rather than zipping it up, there's this quick closure system, which is really nice. On the back side, there's this little hook, as you can see here. And on the inside, there's this elastic tab. So all you have to do is pull it, and it holds the bag shut. And it's easy to release. That's sick. Such a simple design, but super helpful when you're shooting. And it keeps it really well closed. I was worried that things might still fall out, but as you can see here, it's closed really well with that elastic band. Besides that, I really like the size of it. Looks like it'll be perfect for our R5 with an extra lens and some of our accessories. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments below. And if there are any other bags you want us to check out, let me know as well. I will link to this bag if you want to check out any of the tech specs or any of the details. And happy adventuring.